Okay. Here I'm going to show you a real quick and intuitive way that you can measure if you have irregular shapes. So basically I'm going to come around this area and up in here and down here and around here. It's kind of irregular, hard to measure. And as you see, we're just using plain old Google Maps. You know, satellites, everybody can do it. Nothing special whatsoever. Okay? Now I've chose a public place here in the big metropolis of Phoenix, Virginia, hometown. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So if I pick my first point, right click, and if you see right here at the bottom, it says measure distance. So we'll choose that. I'm going to click my next point. My next point. Next point. I'm just going to keep drawing my perimeter. Then when I get to my curve, I do multiple points to kind of get it as close to it as I can, as you can see. Come up here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to kind of just draw a perimeter. And then make sure you close it. That's the most important part. If you don't get a total area, let's see here. If you don't get a total area like you're seeing right here, then you have not closed that last point. Alright? Now in this case we have a total area. It's 81,703 square feet. Alright, and if you remember a video I showed you in the past about fertilizer, if we were to take that 83,703 divided by 43,560, means we have 1.92 acres here to deal with. By the same token, we take that 83,703 and divide it by 1,000. We have 83.70 square feet in which we can do our math to calculate fertilizer and stuff, you know, like what we're saying in the fertilizer. We're going to, right now, all I want to do is fertilize the place. I'm not going to seed it. I'm just going to fertilize it. You know, we got plenty of grass. We want to put fertilizer. So I'm going to put down 10 pounds to the 1,000. I need 837 pounds of fertilizer divided by 50. I need almost 17 bags of fertilizer to put that down. So, real quick, easy way to calculate square footage when you have irregular shapes. You know, if you have a square area, it's real easy to just wheel it off, measure it off. But if you have an irregular yard, which most people do, this is the absolute easiest way. Very accurate. I mean, within 500 square feet accurate. I mean, it's close enough that you can actually figure out what you need and not have to worry about, do I have enough material? I mean, all of my yards, this is how I figure them now. And I've not shortcome myself at all in a yard yet. So, highly recommend using this tool. There are a couple tools if you have an iPhone that you can use. Area calculator, I think, is one of them. I'd have to look on my phone. Android has one. They're real nice. They actually work off of GPS. You actually can tell it to, you can either manually key it in, or you can actually fire up the GPS and you walk the perimeter, and it will actually, by GPS, mark the perimeter, which is a little more accurate. If you just absolutely have to have that, you know, ultimate accuracy, you can use that too. I've used that too. It's real nice, real great. So, you know, those tools are at your disposal as well. and it helps you calculate what you need. So, hope this helped.